Hello friends, how to input controls using password in HTML forms. So we have a password input controls. These are single line text input controls, but it marks the character as soon as a user enters it. These are also created using HTML. They are using a tag, input tag, to type the attribute to set the password. So here you're going to start a basic example of a single line password to input trick user password. So as usual, this is a doc type. So directory to coding, then it's a HTML, and we start use the HTML protocol, then head and our title. So this is password input control. This is our title, how to put password input controls, like that. So the header, then we're gonna have body, and form. The under form tag, form elements. These are form elements. Then you start with a user ID, header 2, and bold, font color it's equals to blue, then user ID, like that. So we have the user ID. Then under input control, this is where input type is a text, type is a text, then name, then we're gonna use a name which is a user ID, user underscore ID, like that, and we close the tab. Then you're gonna copy all this. You don't have to retype. You're using the same thing. You're gonna copy and paste it there. Now you just collect where it is not supposed to, break that, the user ID, and you use password, like that. And you also change input type. Input type will remain as password. You change it to password, and also the name to appear to be displayed will remain as password, like that. So it being like that, you can break to make your work easier, and then you are done. So you're gonna save and refresh your web page, and you refresh your web page like that. So you learn how to put password input controls, the user ID, then password. Let's try to input anything in the user ID. Maybe it's TKW, like that. Let's try to use a password here. You see, when you just try to type a password, then it hides it, but there comes an eye showing how if you want to see the password you have typed. So you can click and it shows you what you have typed, like that. So this is how to put password input controls in your web page when you want to collect the information about the site visitor. This particularly when you want them to create account using their own password. And that's all about this. Another attribute for type name, the value size. You can design the maximum length you want to be here, number of password. You can design the number of characters to be entered in this password. For example, in ours, you can type anything, but you can design it to be maximum of 8, so that you can say max then is 8, so the user cannot enter more than 8 characters in your password, like that. So guys, that's the end of our video. If you like my video, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell for more videos to be uploading. Thank you.